The second quarter earnings season has started on a steady note. Over 100 firms of India Inc. have already reported results of their July to September quarter. Let's do a three-point analysis on what do the numbers tell us so far. 1. What do the initial trends suggest? While no nasty surprises in Q2 is the biggest positive so far, the first 100 companies have put out a steady show. Results are largely dominated by heavyweights, IT giants and also the top private sector banks which have reported results in line with expectations. 2. What do the numbers reflect? Well, the aggregate sales of a group of 100 companies shows a year-on-year growth of over 35% as against an almost 14% year-on-year growth recorded in Q2 FY18. However, operating profit has failed to keep pace with the EBITDA growing 30% year-on-year as compared to a 37.5% year-on-year growth as recorded in Q1. Operating margin for the group as a whole has declined by about 70 basis points year-on-year at 17%. Profitability growth at over 15% is better than over 9% that was recorded in Q2 FY18. 3. Which companies and sectors have been the high flyers of the season so far and who have been the big laggards? Well, the dip on the profits front of the group of 100 companies is largely on account of a one-off income in Q2 FY18 of Zee Entertainment, which otherwise has posted strong results. In terms of sectors now, banks like Bandhan, DCB, HDFC Bank were in line. Headline number of IndusInd Bank, however, got impacted due to a one-off provisions. Also, IT was a mixed bag. Now, TCS and Infosys continued to report good show. The mid-cap companies were a divergent lot, with a stellar NIIT Tech, improved Cyient, but disappointing Mindtree and Persistent Systems. For the cement majors like ACC and Ultratech, margin pressure on account of a soaring input prices were definitely visible. Now, Reliance Industries was also a mixed bag with refineries soft, but a strong show from retail. HUL had a strong top-line performance, although gross margins declined on input pressure. Now, few companies which are outside of the large-cap ambit like Goa Carbon and Bhansali Engineering were definitely disappointments, while Mahindra CIE, Pudumji Paper and Shakti Pumps as well as Satna Nitro put a stellar show. Now, investors should definitely keep these stocks on their radar as the volatile market presents numerous opportunities to accumulate companies with earnings visibility.